Using our new recipe content type from the previous lessons, I have created a new piece of content. I will now check the visual aspects from three different perspectives and show you how to make modifications to each one of them. On your screen now is the full view mode. This is what is shown when the visitor has opened this particular content on a full page. Observe this. The body appears first, and then the image, and then the other new fields we created, that is serves, contributed by, time to cook, and the others. And last is this comments section, and this will only display in the full view mode. The problem I have here is the image should be first and foremost. The visitor should see the picture and get inspired to cook. So we should move it to the top. And the body display is looking fine for now. Then these other new fields are taking too much space. 2 lines each. And maybe we can improve it a little bit. Now I have shifted to the front page, and once again our recipe is showing up here on the top because it will be promoted to the top of the page. And you are seeing the teaser view mode here. There are several problems here. Image is not even showing up, and I don't even want this body to show here. Instead, I want our new fields to show because the visitor should be able to quickly decide if they are interested in this recipe or not. Perhaps based on the cooking time or the calories or the contributing person. The ingredients and the cooking method need not even show in this teaser. So that is what I have to repair. Now we saw two perspectives from the output side, and from the input side on your screen now is the content authoring form for our recipe content type. And you can see that it is quite different from our previous article type that we were using. The only thing I want changed on this page is that I want our new fields to come on top here before this body field. Okay, to make all of these modifications, I will once again open structure from the admin menu and here go to content types. And then for recipe, from this action button drop down, choose manage display. On this page, first notice that this content type only has the default, that is the full view mode, and the teaser short view mode activated. It does not have the RSS mode activated like the article had. And you can activate this quite easily by scrolling to the bottom of the page. Notice the collapsed section here called as custom display settings. Just click and expand it. Also notice that there are several other options that you can actually configure. You can customize how this content will look, for example, in search indexes and in search results. And not even that, it is even possible to build more view modes, but that's an advanced topic for a later stage. Starting with this serves field, I will drag and move it up, and then each of our new fields to the top of the page. When you're all done, just save. Okay, this is for the full view mode. In the same fashion, I will now edit the teaser mode also. Few interesting things here. Now look at this, is the label and this is the format. The first thing is that the body needs to be hidden. The image needs to be visible. I will also go to settings and show a large image. You can link the image to the actual content. Many people will like to click on the link and directly go to the node. So that's what this will do now. And then I'm going to enable each one of the other fields. I can enable the tags also. Amongst our fields, footnotes I will not keep hidden because that will not make relevance in the teaser view. When everything is done, save and return. Okay, finally I am back on the front page and I will refresh. Okay, this looks better, but one more slight change is required. This is still taking up too much space and the ordering needs to change. Let me go back in the teaser view, move image to the top, contributed image. Now, what I'm going to do is, you saw that each one of those had two lines. So I'm going to make the label inline. So this is going to reduce some space for us. Calories inline, serves inline, time to cook inline, and save. Refresh this once again. Okay, this is looking good, but I don't want this label. So image label, make it hidden and save. Refresh again. Okay, this looks so much better now. And this is actually a clickable link. I can open it in a new page and you get the full view mode. Now the full view mode also, we had made some changes and you can see that all our fields are coming on the top here. This is great. But the only thing is these also need to be made inline. And once again, go to the default mode. The label should be inline. Image label is not required. So I'm going to make it hidden. Save, refresh. Okay, and this is looking so much better. Footnotes, eat this piping hot. Okay, fantastic. Now, in exactly the same technique, you can change this content authoring form also. But in that case, you should not be working on this manage display tab. You should work on manage form display tab. This is for the input side for the content author. I will leave that as an exercise for you to try out. So in this lesson, you have seen how the visual aspects of the content can be customized from three perspectives. Two of those were from the output perspective, the full view mode and the teaser mode. And the third perspective is from the input side for the content authoring form. Now you might be wondering, is that all that can be done? Now, what if I want some of the fields to come in different colors or fonts or sizes or in different location in this section? All of that is possible and needs to be handled from themes. It is possible to literally make any element dance to your tune, so to speak. But that will need a theme customization and it is actually not very difficult. It needs working knowledge of CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and YAML and other graphical programming, and it is out of scope for this course. How much I have shown in this lesson is all done without any programming, and quite a lot can be achieved visually with Drupal like this. And so with that, I will end this lesson. In the next section, we will be starting with a new project on everything we have learned in this section. We will be building a film and book review website, and you can put all your learnings in action there. So join me.